You are going to love the 2021 CX-30. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles. Inside you'll find backup camera, heads-up display, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, leather seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass. The Mazda CX-30 packs a lot of punch in this subcompact SUV. The exceptional interior provides high-quality materials, cutting-edge technology, and ultimate comfort. Come see the car for yourself.